This video will show you how to create a QR code. So I use snap.vu. It's a simple, easy to use website. It's free. You do have to create an account, but it's free. You don't have to subscribe and you don't have to pay for the premium version. The free version is more than adequate. So on the home page here, you can see I have a long list of QR codes I've created, but so yours will be blank when you first start out. And the first thing you need to do is go to new web code. We're going to start with that. This QR code that we'll create will go to direct the viewer to a website. So first I need to go over here and grab the website URL. So I'm just going to copy that and come back over here and paste it in here. And then I'm going to name it so that I know what this QR code is. So this one is the website going to electric company. And you can have it give you email alerts for times that people view it, but I'm not going to do that. And I'll save that. Okay, so it tells me that I'm successful and that I'm going to find this new QR code in my list. So if I click back over here to my codes, I can see it's listed right there. It also creates a shortened URL for me, but the main thing is it's creating a QR code, which I'm going to view now. So you can select JPEG or PNG. I will choose PNG. And you can see right here, it says it's waiting for it and download it there. So then if I click on that, it will open it up and there it is. So you can see it's rather large and it includes the shortened URL. So I don't really want that, and I want to make this image smaller. So I'm going to do two things. First, I'm going to crop just so that I have just the QR code, and I'm going to use, this QR code opened in preview, so I'm going to use the tools function, crop it, and now I'm going to use the same tools function and adjust the size. For most of my uses, this is just too large, 852 pixels, that's too big. So I want it to be more like around 200, and I'll click OK. All right, so that makes it a good size that I can put into documents and print out for various uses. All right, so that one's done, and then I'll just save that onto my computer. Okay, so let's create another QR code, this one that will include a text code and an image. So I'll click here, new text code. And you can see this looks like a little wiki here. So I'm going to type something like what is the name of the place where you eat lunch? So let's say this is part of a treasure hunt. I might want to have them guess the name cafeteria or something. I'm going to highlight this though and choose header 1 just so it's nice and big. It makes it easier for students to read. So this time when the student scans the QR code, rather than going to a website, it's going to go just going to reveal this text. And I want to include an image here. So I had found an image of a pizza, and I'm going to copy that URL, and then in here I'm going to place my cursor there and click that. So this is says enter image URL, and there it is. And then I can save. I need to type my reference for this, so I'm going to say cafeteria and save. Okay, and then if I go back to my list of codes, there it is right there, and I can download the PNG of that. And when I click on it, it will open in preview, and again you can see it's the large one, and I would go through the same steps to crop just the QR code and then reduce its size. So one caveat with the inserting the images. When you, here, let's go back over here. If I want to edit this last one that I just created, I click on this little gear here, allows me to edit, and there it is. So you can see that this little pizza slice looks pretty big with this sentence. And imagine scanning this on an iPod or an iPhone. That's going to pretty much fill up the screen, that sentence and that image. And the size of that image, let's come over here and show it to you. The size of this image is 256 pixels by something or other. So it's a pretty small image. When you're searching for images, you need to find one that's about that size. So let me come over here and show you what I mean. So I'm going to go to a Google image search, and let's say I type pizza. So I get all these pictures. And one of the things you want to do is under search tools, have it show you, no, I guess it's, where is it here? More tools. There we go. That's what we want. Show sizes. So now all of the pictures show you the size. And you can see some of these 2,000 pixels, 1,000 pixels. They're huge. They're not going to work in my little image. So one of the things you can do is here on size, you can have it, you can pick different sizes, large, medium, or icon. That's what I picked, icon. And you can see there are many fewer selections, but you can find one that's going to be the right size. So you want something that's no larger than about 200, and you can even go quite a bit smaller if you want. Okay, so that shows you how to create a web code, and it shows you how to create a text code. And those are the two that you're primarily going to use. I'll do another video later on to show you how you can also insert an audio file. So that's it for now.